Hello dear students, today I am going to discuss the A set question paper of class higher secondary part first, subject physical education for the session annual regular 2020 winter zone of Kashmir division. I hope that this question paper is helpful for the coming exam in summer zone of Jammu division. Time allowed 3 hours. Subject physical education. Class 11th. Maximum marks 70. Section A. Multiple choice questions. 1 marks each questions. Question number 1. The dimension of handball court is first option 20 meter into 40 meter. Second, 30 meter into 40 meter. Third, 35 into 40 meter. Fourth, none of these. Answer is option first, 20 meter into 40 meter. Question number 2. How many feathers are there in a shuttle? Option first, 14 feathers. Second, 16 feathers. Third, 18 feathers. Fourth, none of these. Answer is option second, 16 feathers. Question number 3. Total number of players in Kabaddi team is option first, 12 players. Second, 7 players. Third, 8 players. Fourth, none of these. Answer is option first, 12 players. Question number 4. What is the weight of hockey ball? Option first, 156 to 163 grams. Second, 156 to 172 grams. Option third, 150 to 170 grams. Fourth, none of these. Answer is option first, 156 to 163 grams. Question number 5. Saliva is secreted by option first, pancreas. Second, salivary glands. Third, liver. Fourth, pituitary gland. Answer is option second, salivary glands. Question number 6. The blood is returned back to the heart by option first, veins. Second, capillaries. Third, arteries. Fourth, all of these. Answer is option first, veins. Question number 7. Who is the founder of modern Olympic Games? Option first, Baron de Coubertin. Second, Méliès. Third, Hitler. Fourth, none of these. Answer is option first, Baron de Coubertin. Question number 8. The food which we ate is known as option first, carbohydrate. Second, proteins. Third, diet. Fourth, minerals. Answer is option third, diet. Section B. Very short answer type questions. 2 marks each. Question number 9. What do you mean by physical education? This question is related to chapter number 1, concept of physical education. What means asking for information about something. Mean want or intent to say something. Physical relating to all bodily characteristics. Education, preparation for life for some particular task. The answer may be, first of all, write down the meaning of physical education, then write the modern context of physical education, or write in short the objective of physical education. Write means to make words short, means little or small, objective and aim. This question is also related to chapter number 1, concept of physical education. The answer may be: first point, physical development. In few points of physical development or as listed below: proper growth development, proper functioning of various systems of the body, etc. Point number 2, psychological development. Few points of psychological development or as under: first point, removing worry and tension. Second, development of healthy interest and attitude, etc. Third point, social development. Few points of social development or as under: first point, developing qualities of sympathy and cooperation with others. Man is a social animal and he cannot live without society. Point number 4, emotional development. Few points of emotional development are as listed below. Emotions like love, hate, anger, pleasure, anxiety, etc. are the part of human personality. Educational development helps man to achieve the aims of physical education, etc. Question number 10. Explain briefly the purpose of physical education in schools. Explain means to make some things clear. Briefly, using only few words. Purpose, aim or intention of something. Schools, the place where children go to be educated. This question is related to chapter number 1, concept of physical education. The answer may be: physical education develops students' competency and confidence to take part in a range of physical activities that become a central part of their lives both in and out of school. A high quality of physical education curriculums enables all the students to enjoy and succeed in many kinds of physical activity, etc. Question number 11. Write short note on sports psychology. Write means to make something clear. Short means little or small. Note means pay careful attention to something. Sports psychology is an interdisciplinary science. The answer may be: sports psychology is an interdisciplinary science that draws on knowledge from many related fields, including biomechanics, physiology, kinesiology, and psychology. It involves the study of how psychological factor affects performance, how participation in sports and exercises affect psychological and physical factors, etc. Question number 12. What is the essential qualification of a physical education teacher and lecturer? What means asking for information about something? Essential means necessary. Qualifications mean course of study or an exam that you have passed. This question is related to chapter number 4, career aspect in physical education. The answer may be the qualification is required to become a physical education teacher is CP-ED, BPE or BP-ED, and qualification is required to become a lecturer in physical education is graduation in any stream, then BP-ED and MP-ED extra. Question number 13. Explain any two principles of health education. Explain means to make something clear. Any involved in a situation. Principles means rules or laws. Health education. Health education that promotes an understanding of how to maintain personal health. This question is related to chapter number 5, Health and Family Education. The answer may be the main two principles of health education are a healthy diet, regular exercise, work, rest, and positive thinking extra. Question number 14. Write the effects of tobacco on sports persons. Write mean to make clear. Down, below, effects means cause, result. Tobacco, a plant that produces leaves which are smoked in cigarettes, chewing, pipes, extra. Sports persons, a person who is involved in sports. This question is related to chapter number 5, Health and Family Education. The answer may be the various harmful effects of tobacco on sports persons or as listed below. First point, pulse rate increased. Second, blood pressure increased. Third, blood circulations decreased. Fourth, harmful for respiratory systems. Fifth, oxygen capacity decreased extra. Write short note on Republic Day. Write to make words short, small or little. Note some words to notice. Republic Day, the day on which the Constitution of India came into effect. This question is related to chapter number 7, National Games. The answer may be to write about the Constitution of India. First, write down the introduction of Republic Day, then who hosted the flag at New Delhi extra. Question number 16. Write short note on Maulana Abul Kalam Azad Trophy. Write to make words short means small, note to notice. This question is related to chapter number 7, National Games. The answer may be who is Maulana Abul Kalam Azad? In which year Central Government of India started the Azad Trophy? What is the main objective of this trophy extra? Question number 17. Write the treatment of dislocation. Treatment means the use of medicine to cure an illness or injury of dislocations. An injury where a joint is forced out of normal position is called dislocation. This question is related to chapter number 10, Common Sports Injuries and Rehabilitation. The answer may be, first point, support the limb with the help of padding. Second, don't try to adjust the limb in your own way. Third, help the injured person to sit or lie on the chair or bed. Fourth, give proper first aid to the injured person as soon as possible. Fifth point, after your bones are back in position, your doctor might immobilize your joint with a splint for several weeks. Question number 18. Explain rehabilitations. Explain means to make something clear or easy. Rehabilitations, it is the process to restore lost skills of the limb is called rehabilitations. The, the process of helping person who has suffered an illness or injury to restore lost skills of the organs. Maximum self-sufficiency. Rehabilitation services are needed by the people who have lost the ability to function normally, often because of an injury, a stroke, an infection, a tumor, surgery, or a progressive disorders. This question is related to chapter number 10, Common Sports Injuries and Rehabilitations. Question section C, short answer type questions. 3 marks each questions. Question number 19. Explain the various aims and objectives of physical education. Explain means to make something clear. Various means many, several. Aims means the purpose, achieve something. Objectives means goal. This question is related to chapter number 1, concept of physical education. The answer may be, first of all, write down the introduction of aim in physical education. In other words, we can say that the aim of physical education is to develop an individual to such an extent that he may be able to live most and serve the best. Then, objectives of physical education. First, physical development. Explain the points of physical development. Second, psychological development. Third, social development. Fourth, emotional development. Or, what is the importance of physical education to our children? What means asking for information. Importance, the quality of being important. This question is also related to chapter number 1, concept of physical education. The answer may be the importance of physical education to our children or as listed below. First point, optimum development. Second, intellectual development. Third, emotional development. Fourth, social development. Fifth, character development. Sixth, cultural development. Seventh, leadership qualities developed. Eighth, health and safe habits. Ninth, promotes sportsmanship. 10. Neuromuscular coordination developed. Question number 20. Write briefly the effects of alcohol on sports persons. Write to make words briefly using a few words. Effects caused something. Alcohol, the colorless liquid that is found in drinks such as a wine, beer, etc. Sports persons, a person who is involved in sports activity is called sports persons. This question is related to chapter number 5, health and family education. The answer may be, few effects of alcohol on sports persons or as listed below. First point, accuracy of sports person decreased. Second, strength, speed and endurance decreased. Third, Blood sugar of sportsperson decreased. Fourth, alcohol may cause dehydration. Fifth, reaction time increased. Extra. Question number 21. Draw the diagram of Kho-Kho play field showing all the measurements. Draw means to make a sketch. Diagram, picture. Field means area. Showing, display. All means complete. Measurement means standard value. This question is related to chapter number 6, concept of major games and sports. The answer may be, first of all, draw the diagram of Kho-Kho play field with the help of pencil, scale and other needed equipment. Then write all the measurements of the play field, such as length and breadth of the Kho-Kho play field, free zone area, height of the poles from ground levels, thickness of the poles, etc. Question number 22. Briefly explain Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan Award. This question is related to chapter number 7, National Games. The answer may be, who is Rajiv Gandhi? In which year the award introduced? To whom the award is awarded? How much cash award is given in this award? Extra. Question number 23. What do you know about modern Olympic Games? This question is related to chapter number 8, Olympic Games. The answer may be, the credit of starting modern Olympic Games goes to whom? Who is Varin Perry de Coubertin? When he called international conference, how many countries representatives attended the conference? Where first modern Olympic Games held? And how many days the modern Olympic Games lasted? Extra. Question number 24. Briefly explain the term Olympic rings and Olympic torch. This question is related to chapter number 8, Olympic Games. The answer may be, first of all, write about the Olympic rings. Means who proposed the Olympic rings emblems and the color of each ring. How many rings are there? Each color represent what? Extra. Then Olympic torch. Who introduced the Olympic torch? In which Olympic Games the Olympic ceremony introduced? What is the motto of Olympic torch? Extra. Question number 25. Briefly explain the components of balanced diet. Components means several parts of which something is made. Balanced diet, a diet consisting of a variety of different types of food. This question is related to chapter number 9, Diet and its importance in physical education. The components of balanced diet are as listed below. Number 1, carbohydrates. Number 2, fats. 3, proteins. 4th, vitamins. 5th, minerals. 6th, water. 7, roughage. Explain each components in 3 to 4 lines extra. Question number 26. What are the functions of vitamins in our body? Function means work. Vitamins means the substance that our bodies need to develop and function normally. This question is related to chapter number 9, Diet and its importance in physical development. The answer may be, first write few lines about vitamins, then its function. The functions of vitamins are listed below. First point, vitamins is a defensive food. Vitamins helps in proper functioning of various organs. Third, vitamins improves the immune system of the body. Fourth, proteins are available both in plant and animal sources. It helps in the functions of body structures and metabolic pathways. Extra. Question number 27. Briefly explain the difference between strain and sprain. Difference means differs. Between means in the middle of two things. This question is related to chapter number 10, Common Sports Injuries and Rehabilitation. The answer may be the difference between sprain and strain, or as listed below. Write in first sprain, then strain. The first point of sprain. Sprain is the injury of ligaments. The first point of strain. Strain is the injury of muscle. Second point of sprain. Sprain occurs due to twisting of joint. Second point of strain. Strain occurs due to tearing of muscles fibers. Third point of sprain. Sprain occur at joints. Third point of strain. Strain occur at muscles. Sprain is a very painful and it restricts the movement of joint. Strain may cause loss of function of injured muscles. Section D. Long answer type questions. Each questions carry 5 marks. Describe the effects of exercises on muscular system. Describe means to say something that happens. Effects, a change that is caused by something. Exercise that keeps you healthy and strong. Muscular system. The muscular system is an organ system consisting of skeletal, smooth and cardiac muscles. This question is related to chapter number 2, Physiological aspects of physical education. The answer may be few changes occur due to the effects of exercises on muscular system, or as listed under. First point, gain in strength. Second, biochemical changes in muscles. Third, muscle mass increased. Fourth, neuromuscular coordination improved. Fifth, faster recovery from injury. 6. Muscle work with great speed. 7. Endurance of the muscles developed. 8. Proper shape of the body. 9. Efficient use of diet. 10. Reducing chances of obesity. Or draw the diagram of heart and explain the structure of heart in detail. Diagram means showing the appearance. Heart is a muscular organ about the size of a fist, is called heart. Structure means form, object constructed from several parts. Detail means particular. This question is also related to chapter number 2, Physiological aspects of physical education. The answer may be, first of all, draw neat and clean diagram of heart with the help of pencil and other equipments. Then write its different part of the heart name. Then write about few lines for heart composite of heart. For example, blood vessels, blood, capillaries, vein, artery, plasma, white blood cells, red blood cells, etc. Question number 29. Describe the role of motivation and achievement in games and sports. Describe means report, narrate, give detail. Role means part or character. Motivation means motivation is a driving factor for action. Achievements means to carry out successfully. This question is related to chapter number 3, psychological aspects of physical education. The answer may be, first of all, write down few lines about motivation, then types of motivations. Next, write few factors such as, first point, motivation is the foundation of all athletic effort. Second, to become the best athlete you can be motivated to do. Third, motivation gives directions. Fourth, motivation increases the quality of performance. Fifth, motivation is an internal energy force. Write few lines about achievements. Then write few factors of achievement such as, first point, desire to receive social status. Second, to demonstrate ability and superiority over others. Third, there is a natural urge in human brings to compete and achieve something. Fourth, satisfactions of success is known as achievement extra. Or describe the role of sports psychology in achieving sports goal. Sports psychology means it involves the study of how psychology factors affect the performance in games and sports. Achieving means attain. Sports goal mean achievement in sports activity. This question is also related to chapter number 3, psychological aspects of physical education. The answer may be, write few lines about sports psychology, then its role in achieving sports goal. First point, intelligence improved. Second, aggression of sports persons. Third, motivational force. Fourth, personality developed. Fifth, attention and concentration improved. Sixth, mental ability increased extra. Question number 30. Explain in detail the avenues in the field of physical education. Avenues means path, directions. Field means area. This question is related to chapter number 4, career aspect in physical education. The answer may be, to choose one's career in competitive world is not an easy task. The preparation of good career starts from the family. Extra. The following avenues helps them in their career preparations or as listed below. First, interest in sports. Second, perfection in any game. Third, participation in competition. Fourth, develop high level fitness. Fifth, checking out own mistakes. Sixth, leadership qualities developed. Seventh, competitive spirit. Eighth, knowledge of other subjects, extras. Or what are the various career options in physical educations? What means asking for information. Various means many, several. Career means profession or occupation. Option means choice or alternative. This question is also related to chapter number 4, career aspects in physical education. The answer may be, first, give the introduction of career option, then write down its options such as, first point, as a physical education teacher. Second, as a physical education lecturer. Third, as a instructor. Fourth, as a yoga teacher. Fifth, as a journalist in sports. Sixth, as a reporter in sports. Seventh, as a commentator in sports. Eighth, as a officers. Ninth, as a dietitians. 10th, as a physiotherapist extra. Thanks and have a nice day.